What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax, Polygonians. How are we feeling? Finally, our breakout for Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 123. We're up 8.34% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 812 billion. 24-hour volume is 850 million. Just a quick drink of water, guys. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, it's my favorite app for investing. Sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Incredible benefits, as well as $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. We talked about our symmetrical triangle in our last Matic video, and we've broken out. Your target is up at 129. We've also broken out of our falling wedge pattern. Currently, we're holding that support of that major level we've been covering for months at about $1.21, $1.22. We are starting to get overbought, so we might see a little bit of consolidation here, possibly even a back test of this level of resistance from our falling wedge, and allow us to find support here on the EMAs on the 4-hour chart. If we look at Matic here on the daily, we also have this double bottom pattern, and here's your neckline. Or you could also see it as a bit of an ascending triangle here. Either way, your breakout target from that pattern, if we do break out, we're currently testing the neckline, which is at about $1.22, is at about 143. If we head up to that target, we get back above the EMAs on the daily. We see the bullish cross. That's when we can head up to our technical target from our falling wedge up at 182 for Matic. So we'll quickly look at Ethereum. Here's Ethereum on the 4-hour chart. Same thing, symmetrical triangle breakout. And we've just slightly broken out of our descending broadening channel here. So if we're able to hold support here, if we see a little bit of consolidation and we hold this level of support, then your target from this descending channel, what the hell is that? We hold this level of support here, then your target from your descending channel here is up at 3992, and your target from your symmetrical triangle here is up at 3516. If we did roll over, we fell back into this pattern, I would expect a back test of the symmetrical triangle at about 3038. And a key level of resistance for us to break through at 3355. I'm just going to open this up. You can see the support in this area, and we had a lot of resistance coming in at 3355 for Ethereum. If we look at Ethereum here on the daily, we're just starting to break above the EMAs. So if we can hold the support in this area, if we break through our descending channel, we hold the EMAs as support, we're looking for continuation back to the upside towards our technical target at 3992. If we look at Ethereum here on the weekly, we've beautifully bounced off the 20 EMA. As you can see here, the wicks came right down to the 20 EMA and we've bounced. So as long as we can break through our channel here and break through these key levels of resistance, we're looking good to go for continuation. Guys, quick shout out to the Discord. I posted this Matic breakout just as it was breaking out of its symmetrical triangle. I can't always make videos just as coins are breaking out, but I can post it into the Discord. It's the price of a coffee. Great way to stay ahead of the game as a trader as well as an investor. So if we can hold this major level here at $1.20 as support, even if we see a little bit of a back test of our falling wedge here, we find support on the EMAs. Your target is all the way up here at 182. Of course, do target the golden ratio, which is coming in for Matic at about $1.60. If we're able to get back above it, we back test it as support. Then we can see that continuation all the way up to the 0.786, which is up at 207 for Matic. I would also watch this level, which is the 0.5, coming in at about $1.34. See the support in this area could act as a level of resistance. And then if we do roll over here, do target $1.11 as your level of support. So that's it for Matic, guys. If you'd like to trade Matic as well as many other coins with me, check out my full length tutorial on Bybit. Make sure to sign up. If you deposit within the first 48 hours, you get $50 alone just for your first deposit, as well up to $600 in bonuses. My favorite platform for leverage trading. Check out the Discord, crypto.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.